Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about what happens if you miss a mortgage payment. Missing a mortgage payment can feel stressful, but it does not always mean you will immediately lose your home. However, one missed payment can start a chain reaction if it is not handled quickly. That is why it is important to understand what usually happens step by step, and what actions you can take before the problem becomes bigger. First, the payment is considered missed when your lender does not receive it by the due date. Some loans may have a grace period, but once that time passes, the lender may treat the payment as late. At this point, the best thing to do is make the payment as soon as possible and check your loan agreement so you understand the exact deadline and rules. Next, a late fee may be charged. Many lenders add a late fee after the grace period ends, and this fee can increase the amount you need to pay to bring the loan current. So, even if the missed payment was accidental, the total amount due may become higher than the original monthly payment. This is why acting early can help you avoid extra costs. After that, the account may be reported late to credit bureaus if the payment stays unpaid long enough, often around 30 days late. A late mortgage payment can hurt your credit score because mortgage history is an important part of your credit profile. As a result, borrowing money in the future may become harder or more expensive. Therefore, catching up quickly can help reduce the damage. Then, you may receive a late payment notice from your lender. This notice is usually a formal reminder that the payment has not been received. Instead of ignoring it, you should read it carefully and contact the lender right away. Many people feel embarrassed or afraid to call, but communication is one of the most important steps when dealing with mortgage trouble. If the payment remains unpaid, the account can become 30 or more days late. At this stage, the loan is more seriously delinquent. The lender may start tracking the missed payment more closely, and the risk of further action increases. However, you may still have options, especially if you contact the lender before the situation becomes worse. In addition, the lender may add more fees and interest. These extra costs can be added to the loan balance or the amount needed to catch up. This makes the problem harder to fix over time. For example, one missed payment can turn into several fees, higher overdue balances, and more financial pressure if it is ignored. If the loan continues to remain unpaid, the foreclosure process may begin. Foreclosure is the legal process a lender may use to take back the property when the borrower fails to make payments. The exact timeline and rules depend on the loan, lender, and local laws, but the risk becomes more serious the longer the mortgage stays unpaid. At this point, it is important to seek advice, understand your rights, and explore loss mitigation options. Finally, if foreclosure is completed, there is a possible risk of losing the home. This is usually the last stage, not the first stage. That means a missed payment does not normally cause instant foreclosure, but delaying action can reduce your choices. The earlier you respond, the more options you usually have. Fortunately, there are several options that may help. A repayment plan may allow you to catch up over time. A loan modification may change certain loan terms to make payments more manageable. Forbearance may offer temporary relief if you are facing short-term hardship. Refinancing may help in some cases, depending on your credit and financial situation. And in difficult situations, selling the home before foreclosure may protect more of your finances than waiting too long. So, the key takeaway is simple. One missed mortgage payment is serious, but it is not always the end. The most important step is to act early. Make the payment if you can, contact your lender, ask about available options, and avoid ignoring notices. The sooner you communicate, the more solutions may be available. Remember, every situation is different, and mortgage rules can vary depending on your lender, loan type, and location. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial, legal, or mortgage advice. Always speak with your lender or a qualified professional if you think you may miss a payment. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.